In this video, I am going to show you a simple, easy and powerful pocket option 5-second strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. And as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you use or whichever indicator you use, nothing works for the 100% of the time. So it is your duty to firstly test any strategy in your demo account, and if it is working at that exact time, then trade with that strategy in your real account so that you can become profitable in long term. Now, without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic, that is pocket option 5-second strategy, the profitable way to trade binary options. So firstly, you need to make all of these currency pair favorite. So just make it yellow and all of these will appear at here. Once you do this much, then you need to make this candlestick time frame as 5. That means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now another thing you need to do is, if it is flag at here, make it clock and then select S5 as a trading time frame. That means your trades will be closed in 5-second time. Once you do this much, then decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. Let's say we are going to invest $100 per trade. So now what I will do is, I will firstly explain to you this strategy properly, and then I will make few trades and you can see the accuracy rate of this strategy. Now you need to implement this simple indicator that is called parabolic SAR. To implement this indicator, just go here and click on parabolic SAR, and the default setting is fine. You don't need to make any changes at here. Now I will show you something to explain this strategy, and then I will show you by making trades with that exact strategy. So as you can see in the chart here, whenever the parabolic SAR dots are forming below the candles, and exactly when the second dot have formed, at that time you make trade by clicking on lower. In case of higher, whenever parabolic SAR dot is forming above the candles and right second dot is formed, at the time when second dot is formed or you see the second dot, you immediately make trade by clicking on higher. This strategy is as simple as this. Now I'll show you by making few trades, but before that, if you want some free binary signals to trade binary options in a profitable way, then you can join my free Telegram channel. And if you want to copy my trades directly, then the instruction to join my VIP copy trading channel is also given in that free Telegram channel. And friends, do like these videos. It will encourage me to bring more these kind of helpful videos for you in future. Now I'll keep quiet and show you the exact video where I will trade by using this exact strategy. Watch it very carefully.